Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to show you how to replace and reset a drum in a Dell 2330 printer. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to do is go and open the front hatch. Once you open the front door, we're going to remove the toner and drum. They're going to come out together. Once they're separated, there's a button at the front of the drum. You're going to push that inward, and that'll separate the toner from the drum. We'll set our old one off to the side here. We'll get our new Onyx brand drum. Now that we have our new drum, we're going to install the toner back into the drum to feel it kind of click into place. Once we do that, we're going to reinstall the toner and drum into the printer until it's firmly seated all the way back inside. And then we're not going to close the door, we're going to leave it open, and you're going to press and hold the cancel button for about 5 seconds. And then once you do that, you're going to close the door, and just like that, you're back up and printing.